In the previous videos, we've gone through and I've shown you kind of an introduction to walls and roofs and floors and site materials. To turn this tutorial in, what I want you to do is just take the model that you've created and I want you to screen capture that model and the surrounding menus and then print those out and turn it in. And to do that, first thing I want you to do is create another 3D view. So we're going to go into 3D views and create a view. So we're going to duplicate this one. So we'll just duplicate this one. And it'll be copy, and we'll just rename that. View 1 or 01. And then we'll duplicate again. And we'll call that one we copied, we'll rename it View 2. Now we have this two views besides the original 3D view. And in View 1, I'm going to set that to this corner here so that the door is facing in the direction of the south door is facing this way and the other wall is facing that way. And let's zoom in enough that we can see it in the view. And once again, I just want you to capture this, you know, both of your menus and everything, not just the view itself, but the menus and everything. So we can go in, if you're in Windows, the easiest thing is probably just to use what is called Snagit, and that'll enable you to capture the, no, I'm sorry, it's called Snipping Tool. The Snipping Tool comes with Windows. Now, if you're, you know, and it'll come up like this, and you'll, you know, say New, Rectangular Mode, and then you can just, you know, capture full screen if you want to, and say New, and it did an automatic full screen of all the views, but that's not what I want. So what I'm going to do is go back and say not full screen. Let me pick it, rectangular mode, go back into New, and then I can drag across it, you know, grab it, and then it will capture it. I can save this out now as a PDF or a JPEG and print it out then, or just send it directly to the printer, depending on whether you have a printer connected to it. So then just print that out, write your name on it, handwrite your name on it, and your name in Architecture 2351. Then let's change the view to View 2, okay? And so we're going to change that view, and we're just going to flip it to the other two sides so that we can see the back side and the east side and the north side, right? And do the same thing, capture that view and print it out. Once again, write your name on it, write View 2, Architecture 2351, and bingo, you're done. Turn that in to your to a GA on Wednesday, you know, between 5 and 7 on Wednesday night. And that's all there is to it. So good luck. Let me know if there's any problems.